Okay, so digital marketing, how actually benefits to your business growth? First of all, higher revenue. Why do I say so? Because it's actually irrelevant to the cost effective. Compared to last times, right? Billboard also very low price already. Am I right? Last time, one billboard on Federal Highway, you need 6 digits. Okay, if let's say it's like under the pedestrian bridge, right? It easily costs up maybe 500,000 to 1 million. Compared to the digital marketing definitely is much lower than the price. Okay, and then when you can control and reduce maybe 10 times of your marketing price, right? Especially for the advertisement fees, right? Your revenue definitely will going up. Okay, and it's also very easy for you to do the A/B testing. Okay, this is the keywords is here, A/B testing, because you know why? When you do the A/B testing, right, you actually reduce the chances for error and also the risk. Okay, the risk because sometimes you need to know. Okay, in compared to the billboard, right? Sometimes you think that okay, maybe we need to come up with this kind of advertisement, this kind of design, okay, this kind of message. Then after that, you do everything done already. You put up to that. You cannot have an A/B testing because you want to have a different billboard. Instead, you have another 6 digits to invest in already. So this it would incur a lot of high costs already, right? Then, but if compared to the digital marketing, you can actually easily to put up maybe a few hundred ringgit up to maybe less than 1,000. Okay, then you can actually test maybe 3 or even 4 different marketing message or graphics, everything. Then you see which one actually is work the best. Then only after that you can pump in more money to the winning ads. So this is the advantages. Okay, advantages when you actually opt for the digital marketing. Okay, because of this, that's why your cost actually will tremendously reduce, and then your revenues will going up. Okay, and then next one is earn the people trust and build the brand reputations. Because okay, how to actually earn the people trust? Because of the digital, the easier, the simple way to start at the digital marketing, right? Everyone also spend a lot of time on their phone. And also one thing is digital marketing is a very personalized. Okay, the keywords is here is personalized experience. You know why? Because if let's say today you are more prone to maybe you're looking for maybe a crab. You want to eat a crab. Okay, maybe you want to eat crab. Okay, this weekend. So you go to the Google or maybe you at the Facebook. You actually search for the crab food. All right. Then all the crab seller, okay, crab seller or crab meal seller, they will actually come up into your Facebook or your Google or other website already. All the advertisements will coming up. So that's why it's a very personalized kind of approach. Okay, it's actually very different compared to those like billboard. Billboard wise, you put up there. Okay, example like a car, luxurious car, like Benz. Okay, but is it everyone actually will attract to the car bands? It's not really, because different people have different needs. All right, but it's just that you put up to there and then you're forcing showing to everyone, but you don't know actually which one actually are interested to that to the advertisement or to the products, right? So that's why in digital way it's a very personalized. Okay, personalized based on the individual preference, individual interest. Then only you can see the particular advertisements. Okay, that's why you wouldn't like show it to everyone, and that's why because of this reason, the cost also reduced. Because now your ads is not showing to everyone. You have selected a certain people only. Okay, so that's why you will actually earn the people trust. Okay, because of the personal experience. All right. And eventually, it will build the brand reputations, okay? Because the brand authorities, I'm talking about brand authorities, is actually every business ultimate goal, okay? What does it mean by brand authorities? Is like, example, if let's say today, if let's say I'm thinking of a burger, example, burger. Straight away, my mind maybe will come up with Ramly Burger, McD, Burger King, okay? So this is where we call them as like a brand authority because they achieve the authority level. The next one will be the content performance and lead generation. So now you want to collect the leads, okay? Collect the leads and then using your own very customized content okay, to attract new customer and also attract the existing customers. Okay, existing customer. No matter how long your business is in the industry, right? You always have a four. Okay, one is they know your business before. They know your business and know your brand, but they never experienced it before. They never tried before. The other one is they try one time. Now you need them to come back again. Then the next one is you want them to come back regularly. Okay, the last one will be the loyalty customer. Means that they won't accept any other brand, any other products already. They only follow you. Okay, so normally, no matter how long your business are in the market, right, you always have all these four people. Okay, four group of customers, right? And then that's why you need the different strategies, okay, to nurture this group of people. Okay, the more of the VIP, the more of the loyalty customer you have, the more stable your business have. Okay, right? And the next one, compete with the large corporations. Okay, last time, big corporations, what they have? They have nothing, they only have money. They have a lot of money. Okay, so when they have a lot of money, right, they can easily to put up the billboard, like 5 to 6, LDP, one way only, you have 3 billboard already. In Federal Highway, another 3 billboard. But to those like SME, okay, even though macro SME, micro SME, can we fight with them? Same things. If let's say for TVC, 10 seconds only, 6 digit already. Am I right? I didn't know. 6 seconds only, 6 seconds only, already 6 digit. All right. And then they haven't included all those like shooting, you getting the model in. Okay. So all these things is very hard to compete with the large corporations. But nowadays for digital marketing, right? You just have a very simple videos, okay? And then if let's say you know how to do it, all right, with the landing page, everything, how to actually start with the campaign in the right platform, basically you can actually start your business already. You can actually start to do all the business already. You get what I mean? So that's why it will be digital marketing become a platform for you to easily, okay, to compete with the large corporations. All right, then everyone actually is like a fair levels, okay, to fight, to compete in the business world. Okay, and then the last one is the real-time result. All right, real-time result. Why? Give you another example. Like come back to the billboard again. Today they can actually give you the very average. Okay, they count by car. Okay, one day how many traffic? All right, maybe one day you have about 1 million cars. Okay, go past the Federal Highway. They can give you a very average number only. All right, then they say that maybe 1 car, 1 people. So every people can see the advertisements. They give you average only. But how long they see it? Who really see it? Who really interested to it? They cannot give it to you, all these informations. But digital marketing, they can give it to you, right? They can know that who actually look at the advertisement, stop at the advertisement, who actually click into the advertisement, who actually watch the video, the advertisement video, until to the end. And then how many of them will go to the inquiry? And then when they go to the inquiry, which step they stop? Are they stop at the landing page or are they complete the registrations? And how long they actually stay at the landing page? All these informations we can actually get at our fingertips. Okay, and everything is all real-time result. And then because of this, right, and then we can actually trace, and we can trace it very easily. Because of this, information become we already can get the first-hand informations. Okay, it's not like we don't need to depend on the billboard person in charge, right, to give us the numbers already. Okay, based on the digital marketing, because we know all the real-time result, we straight away will know that how many people come to our ads before, how many people interested to our ads before. Okay, so because of all these first-hand informations, right, it will be more easier for us to actually make our business decisions. Okay, make our business decision now or in the future. Okay, right. So that's why you can see the concept of digital marketing actually is a very huge one, very, very huge. Okay, there's different types. How are you going to consolidate all these marketing strategies, okay, to make it like one special recipe for your own business? All right, so we have like social media marketing. I start from here. Social media marketing, content marketing, right? Email marketing, influencer, YouTuber, viral marketing, how to create a viral or how to leverage on viral, mobile marketing, okay, QR code, okay, promotions through the apps, okay, radio, TV, yes, it's still part of it because nowadays, you know that all the media prima, they also try to digitalize their business. They also make it online, okay, electronic billboards, okay, search engine optimization, okay, this is a very powerful one, SEO, okay, which is organic search, which actually this is the only and not only okay, it's a top and most effective way without advertisement. Without advertisement, you can expose your business to the maximum level, okay? And pay-per-click, okay, pay-per-click is a Google search, all right, Google search, okay? So that's why all this is a digital marketing strategies.